Hey, this is Juan Quinones, and if you've ever dreamt of mastering FPV drones, not just for the thrill of flight, but to actually make money with it, then you're in the right place. I want to show you how you can bypass all of the frustration and endless YouTube tutorials and vague online forums, and instead get straight into building, flying, and profiting from FPV drones in record time. If you're an aspiring drone pilot who's tired of wasting hours searching for the answers or feeling lost when it comes to making money with your drone, then pay close attention. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a proven path to mastering FPV drones and turning your passion into profit, all without the expensive trial and error. Now, you might be feeling a little bit overwhelmed at the thought of navigating through all of the technicalities of flying, or maybe you're just unsure about how to land high-paying gigs. Trust me, I've been there too. I felt stuck trying to piece together all of the information from various sources, and it was frustrating to say the least. But then I found a way to fast track the learning curve and turn flying into a profitable business, and that's exactly what I'm going to be helping you with. Here's the reality: most drone pilots out there are stuck at the hobbyist level, thinking that all they need is better flying skills or more equipment. But that's not why clients pay top dollar. They pay because they trust that you can deliver professional results, solve their problems, and bring value to their projects. Without that trust, even the most skilled pilots in the world would struggle to turn their passion into profit. So, what's the solution? It's a 3-step process that I've crafted specifically for aspiring drone pilots who are serious about making money. Phase 1, the artist. You'll learn how to create viral FPV drone videos, mastering the art of flight in just 30 days with easy to follow tutorials and live trainings. We start with mindset, the best gear, and simulation training so that you hit the ground running. Phase 2, the entrepreneur. Here I'll guide you on transitioning from a hobbyist to a paid professional in 90 days. You'll learn how to create your own leads, do effective outreach, showcase your portfolio, and land your first high-paying client within weeks. Just like Chris, who secured his first $1,000 gig just 3 days into that program.
I got my first paid gig, let's go.
Phase 3, the manager. Finally, I'll show you how to build a solid business foundation. You'll learn how to set up your LLC, craft sexy offers, secure insurance, and ensure legal compliance, all within the first week. Just ask Seth, who set up his contracts and invoicing software and secured a $1,500 contract within 24 hours of starting the program. These aren't just theories. We've helped over 75 pilots go from total beginners to learning how to fly and pitch clients, just like Aaron, who landed his first $1,000 client just 3 months after starting the program.
Honestly, the product kind of sold itself, it felt like.
Or Onyx, who got live support during his first FPV fly-through of a $5 million property in New York, making his first $500 in just a couple of hours. And Jan, he's already getting hired to fly through exotic Airbnbs and high-end hotels in Puerto Rico just 6 months into the program. These are results from real people who were once in your shoes. Here's exactly how the program works. Phase 1, the artist. Mastering FPV drone flight can seem intimidating, but we've broken it down into a simple 4-week process that's allowed over 75 pilots to start flying in 30 days or less. Week 1, you'll start off in the simulator where you'll learn the basics of flight skills without risking your gear. You'll get a curated shopping list of exactly what equipment you need so that you avoid any confusion or wasted money. Plus, we'll dive into the mindset of what it takes to become a successful FPV pilot, because your mentality is just as important as your flying skills. Week 2, this is where we get hands-on. You'll learn how to build, fix, and program your drone inside of Betaflight. And don't worry, it's easier than it sounds thanks to our step-by-step process. You'll also cover safety protocols, including drone and LiPo battery safety, as well as FAA regulations, so that you can fly confidently without any legal issues. Week 3 is where we get creative. You'll learn how to plan and execute your first FPV one-take video, which is the standard for viral FPV videos on social media. We'll also walk you through pitching your first client and teach you the cinematic elements that make FPV videos stand out on social media. Week 4, in this final week, you'll learn how to manage your media like a pro. We cover how to stabilize your footage, edit for maximum engagement, and structure your videos to go viral. By the end of this week, you'll be able to produce high-quality shareable content that wows your clients. These are the same exact strategies that I've used to gain over 18 million views on my own videos. This structured, no-fluff approach is exactly how pilots like you have been able to learn how to fly in record time and start building a name for themselves in the FPV world. Phase 2, the entrepreneur. Flying is only the beginning. In this phase, you'll actually learn how to position yourself as a professional and land paying gigs. We'll show you how to build a brand that makes you stand out from every other hobbyist out there with a professional, polished online presence that attracts high-paying clients. You'll learn how to generate leads both online and offline, and we'll give you the exact scripts to pitch your services. More importantly, we teach you how to communicate the value of your FPV drone skills to potential clients so that they see the worth and are willing to pay you top dollar. Just like Austin, who was recently paid $700 for a quick FPV fly through of a smaller real estate property in San Diego. Austin's client was so impressed with Austin's professionalism, his service agreements, his contracts, everything, that he basically said, screw the retainer, and he paid Austin the full amount up front. Phase 3, the manager. This final phase is all about making your FPV business run smoothly. We help you set up the legal and financial structures to ensure that your business is protected and ready to scale. You'll learn how to create tailored offers and service packages that make clients excited to work with you. Plus, we provide you with contract templates, invoicing methods, and payment strategies that build trust and make sure that you get paid quickly. Aaron, for example, used the same exact system to secure a $1,000 payment just 2 days after implementing our contracts and invoicing strategies. Oh, and just a quick heads up, because I love to over deliver and I'm committed to seeing you win, I actually went ahead and sent you over free access to my FPV business masterclass. It should be arriving any minute now to your text or email. This training will give you an overview of everything we just covered so that you can start working on landing your first $1,000 gig. But before you check that out, stick around for a minute because I'm going to show you exactly how you can fast track your success with my step-by-step system. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now that you know what this program entails, you might be wondering how to get started. If you're serious about mastering FPV drones and turning your passion into profit, I invite you to schedule a call with my team. We'll discuss your goals and see if it's a good fit to work together. And here is the best part. I guarantee that you'll close at least $1,000 in new business within 90 days of joining the Business Pro, or we'll keep working with you for free until you do. That's how confident we are in this system. So if that sounds like something you've been searching for, then scroll down, schedule a call with us, and let's start your journey to becoming a badass FPV drone pilot today. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.